What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here, back with another video. Hopefully you can hear me with all this wind noise. I'm taking the XR5 for a little run to the local dam, gave it a wash, let's hope it doesn't rain. But yeah, a lot of you guys asked for more POV, so I thought I'd take the car out since the sun was out earlier and take it for a run. So just gonna check out the dam, haven't been up here for a little while either, so thought it would be a good idea to kind of give the car a bit more of a stretch of its legs compared to the last video I did, because I was only in a zone where it was about 30 or 40k an hour. So, but yeah, I'll probably stop talking and let you guys listen in. Put the window down a bit more. I've also synced up the audio, so got my audio recording device because I've had it sitting, been wanting to use it, haven't had the time to use it or known how to use it, and I've got a pretty good setup now. I don't have too much wind noise, so I'm pretty happy with how it's sounding and how it's going. So just got Waze up because I want to be mindful of cops. Obviously don't want to be doing any sort of anything too cheeky. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, something different. Bear in mind, I haven't tuned the car yet. The car is still on stock setup, just with bolt-ons. I'm tuning it this week. As you can see, I'm trying to run my fuel down because, as I said last time, I still had a bit of 95 in it, so still have to run it down a bit, but it'll be tuned very, very, very soon. But I thought this would be something good to kind of put in between it being stock and not tuned and some other content. So it's a very, 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 very warm day, so I've got a bottle of water with me and I've got a bunch of other equipment so I can film some stuff. So just thought it'd be a good day to kind of take it out, see how it goes. It's not running too hot either, so that's a good thing. Don't actually use Waze too much, funny enough. Most of my mates suggested that I use it, so I thought if I'm coming up this way on a Sunday, of course, probably best to use it just in case there's cops around. I saw a few, but none were interested in what I was doing. Lady in that car was certainly intrigued by the weird camera on my head. Been out here for a while, so I really don't know what the roads are like either. They're probably quite bumpy. I don't also know if they got affected by the rain recently or not. I'm honestly not too sure. I hope it's clear on the way up to Hinds or Hines Dam. It should be, but yeah, you never know. Some shocking potholes around here too. Pretty happy with how I've set the exhaust microphone up too. I'm not hearing too much wind noise, it's pretty good. And I turned it down because when I did it previously there was too much, I don't know what the noise, it's like sort of static noise. So I adjusted it so it's not as bad, and I tucked it right up and under the diffuser, so it's pretty good now. Surprised by how busy it is for a Sunday through here too. I mean, other people might be going to the dam as well, I'm not too sure. Such a torquey little car, this thing. When I had my Hyundai Elantra, it was an absolute pain in the ass trying to get up hills. Just no torque whatsoever. Very, very frustrating. Hopefully I can edit some of the wind noise out, but I have to see how I go. Here goes the Skyline. I think it was a R33, looked like. Probably taking his car for a bit of a drive too. There's a lot of hills through here, and like you want to give it some, but you don't know if there'll be cops hiding or lurking around. I mean, I'm already going above 60, but still got 13 minutes to go. It's a fair way in. Dips here, you'd think they'd be like susceptible to possibly like flooding and stuff. That was a bit of an abrupt turn off. Me and the Ford Cougar. Is it a Cougar or is it an Escape? Either one. I feel like roads in this sort of area where it's pretty, you know, quiet should be more like 80 instead of 60, to be fair. I feel like this is the sort of spot where I'd probably boot it and I'd get caught. I don't see any cops on the maps, but you never know. I'm hoping you guys can hear the turbo flutter as well, especially at like 4th gear, like 60 like this. Hopefully. I haven't really taken the car out for much of a drive as of recently. It's just been to and from work and to and from the gym, so it's good to actually just get it out for a bit of a run. I think this is where they might hang around, cops, because it's like a school zone, but could be wrong, could be wrong. It's pretty quiet, to be fair. Last time I came up here in my car, it was a bit of a hot spot for cops. And this is when the XR5 was stock, I think, for mods. I think the only thing I had on it was an exhaust, that was it. So I had nothing else. It's pretty nice through this area. Quite green. Trying to remember where the cops were hiding last time. They're in some sort of like alleyway sort of area. sneaking around. They had like a radar gun and a Subaru Liberty. Was it a Liberty? Or something of the sort, but limit 70. I'm trying to remember if it was 60 or 70 through here last time. It's interesting what looks you get when you've got a camera on your head. It's very funny. It's pretty hidden, to be totally fair. Like, in my opinion, I don't think you see it too much, but obviously people probably see it hanging down from the hat and go, what the hell is that? So trees knocked down here and there, but not a whole lot. Coming from like a beachy suburb to somewhere like this, to be honest, for driving roads I prefer it out here, a lot more quiet than like the suburbs. Looks like there's a Viper up there. There is too. A yellow Viper. That's pretty sick. Probably wait for the Hilux to go and then I'll take off. Should be more like 80 or 90 through here, if I'm being totally honest. You hit 70 so quick, especially in a car like this, because the gears are so short. Oh, speak of the devil. As long as he doesn't turn around, it's all good. Alright, I think we're fine. Good on me for not pushing it too hard then, I guess. Honestly, I feel like these cars go under the radar a lot too. Fun fact, I've never been pulled over. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm fairly responsible while driving, but that's not right. That's a damn country resort. What? Where's my directions taking me? I don't know where my directions are taking me. That looks like another cop, is it? No, could be. They do drive Camrys. I don't know why it was telling me to go there. Waze is not in sync or something with my phone, I'm not too sure. Oh, it's 80 now. Does that say 80 and then back to 60, or am I tripping? No, it is 80. Ah, the best part, the twisties. Alright, so it's probably a bit hard for you guys to hear me, but the Insta360, which I'm recording on now, the little portable POV camera died. Apparently couldn't handle the heat, so sadly the footage got cut off, but I'll cut it at a point where it's not too awkward and obviously overlay the audio capture I did. So hopefully I can still kind of edit it out. You guys will soon know if I post this video whether I did or not, but yeah, it was good to take the car for a run, stretch its legs, and hopefully next time I come up this way I'll have the tune. But I appreciate you guys watching as always. Latest videos are doing really, really well, so I appreciate that, and yeah, be sure to drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.